Start.
Good morning everyone, this is Rajiv Khanna, the part 2 of the video regarding Easytest interactive response system. Today I want to point out that if you need the data, suppose gender wise, what percentage of females, what number of males and from which area they voted for what option, what marks they got, then Easytest interactive response system is the product for you. First we will view the participant list. As you can see over there, it says over there are 6 participants we've already made. There are 3 females and 3 males over there, and they are from different centers and they have come from different areas: west, east, west, east. Right? Okay, clear? Now we'll go and see the results. We have already done the voting. To save on time, we'll just show you the results. Go to data analysis, demographic comparison. Suppose we do gender wise. From this you can very clearly see, you can clearly see the female, out of the females, 1 female or 33% of female have voted for the first option as per the color combination. 1 has voted for option 2 and 1 has voted for option 3. Out of the males, 1 has voted for option 1, second has voted for option 3 and the fourth is option 4. We can also see center wise. This is there are 4 centers over here. People from Badapur area have fully now there were only 1 person, but they are fully voted for option 4. From Madanpur area, they have voted for option number 1. From Okhla, 1 or 50% voted for option 1 and second one for option 3. The gender wise, area wise also, from the eastern section, 1 voted for option 1, 1 for option 3, 1 for option 4 and so on and so forth. This way you may get so many results which is going to be useful for your data preparation and for your futuristic plans, etc. using the same Easytest interactive response system. Over and out. Thank you.